Sigma males possess a unique intelligence that thrives outside typical frameworks and conventions. Unlike those interested in climbing social ladders or seeking approval, they focus on developing their minds independently. Driven by intense curiosity, a refusal to follow the crowd, and an ability to think independently, Sigma males don't just acquire knowledge. They carve their own unique path through it. This unconventional approach leads to insights others often overlook, making their intelligence sharper, more focused, and remarkably resilient. In a world that prizes social validation, Sigma males stand out by choosing to think for themselves. Stick around with me until the very end, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Number 10. Problem solvers, not problem ponderers. Sigma males are natural problem solvers. They're not content to sit around analyzing issues or discussing potential problems without action. When they spot a problem, their instinct is to fix it, not to endlessly ponder it. While others may get bogged down by complexity or worrying about worst-case scenarios, Sigmas cut straight to the core, asking, "What's the solution, and how can it be applied?" This disciplined approach keeps them from wasting time or overthinking. They know energy spent dwelling on a problem without action is energy wasted, so they train themselves to focus on actionable steps. This proactive mindset builds their intelligence practically, sharpening their ability to recognize patterns and find efficient solutions with each problem tackled. Over time, this habit of immediate problem solving gives them a deep mental toolkit and a reservoir of skills that makes future challenges easier to navigate. Through real-world experience, their intelligence grows, enabling them to handle tough situations quickly. By refusing to get bogged down in over-analysis, Sigmas remain agile and adaptable, diving in to solve issues and moving forward effectively. Number 9. Analytical brains with a creative twist. Sigma males combine analytical thinking with creative insight, making them intellectual powerhouses. They don't confine themselves to one way of thinking but draw from both the logical, structured approach of left-brain thinking and the imaginative, innovative side of right-brain thinking. This unique balance allows them to tackle problems from multiple angles, which is invaluable in today's complex world. When faced with a challenge, Sigmas analyze data but also let their creativity flow, often spotting flaws in traditional methods or seeing connections others miss, leading to entirely new approaches. This blend of skills makes them adaptable, whether they're working on a project, navigating social dynamics, or strategizing personal goals. In a world that often values conformity, Sigmas stand out for their ability to innovate, using both logic and creativity to redefine what's possible. Number 8. Strategic observers, silent calculators. Sigma males thrive in the background, quietly absorbing everything around them. They don't seek the spotlight, which gives them an edge. While others make themselves heard, Sigmas tune into details everyone else overlooks. They watch, listen, and analyze, taking in body language and subtle cues that reveal more than words alone. This habit of silent observation isn't passive. It's strategic. They mentally map out scenarios, weighing possibilities and outcomes with precision. By gathering more information than those who speak first, they develop a fuller understanding of people and dynamics, allowing them to read situations accurately and anticipate outcomes. This deep cognitive skill strengthens over time, enabling them to piece details together and reach reliable conclusions. Number 7. Practical intelligence over conventional book smarts. Sigma males have a practical approach to intelligence that sets them apart. They don't focus on memorizing theories or quoting studies to impress others. For them, knowledge must serve a real purpose. If it doesn't, it's just noise. They seek information they can apply in real life and discard anything impractical. Their intelligence is grounded in experience, not abstract concepts that only work on paper. This hands-on approach makes their knowledge adaptable, efficient, and quick to deliver results, whether in work, finances, or social situations. By focusing only on practical skills, they build a mental toolkit that's ready to be used at a moment's notice, making it far more impactful than conventional book smarts. Number 6. Unflinching objectivity. Sigma males possess a rare clarity in their thinking, marked by unflinching objectivity. While others may be swayed by emotions or trends, Sigmas keep their focus clear and rely on hard facts to shape their views. They understand that emotional reactions can lead to short-sighted decisions, so they consciously separate their feelings from the facts. This objectivity isn't coldness, it's a disciplined commitment to seeing things as they are. Their decisions are based on sound analysis, not groupthink or social approval. This mental clarity enables them to make solid choices grounded in reality, giving them a clear advantage in various aspects of life. Number 5. Pragmatism over idealism. Sigma males embody a pragmatic mindset, prioritizing function over fantasy. They focus on what can be achieved rather than getting lost in what should be. This approach allows them to evaluate situations realistically, uncovering effective paths forward. While others may chase after dreams, Sigma males look for actionable strategies that yield results. This pragmatic mindset fosters resilience. When faced with setbacks, they adapt and recalibrate rather than dwell on what went wrong. This grounded outlook empowers them to thrive, making decisions that lead to real progress rather than getting sidetracked by unattainable ideals. Number 4. Emotional detachment sharpens rationality. Sigma males have a unique ability to maintain emotional detachment, which sharpens their rationality and decision-making skills. They know emotions can create biases, so they consciously separate feelings from facts. This enables them to assess situations more objectively, leading to insightful and grounded decisions. When challenges arise, Sigma males rely on logic, avoiding impulsive, emotion-driven responses. This doesn't mean they lack empathy, rather, they prioritize rational thought, allowing them to navigate complex situations without being overwhelmed. This emotional detachment also fosters resilience, helping them adapt and pivot as needed. Number 3. Maverick mentality, questioning everything. Sigma males possess a maverick mentality that drives them to question everything around them. They don't accept information at face value or follow the crowd without reason. This mentality stems from a quest for truth and understanding, not rebellion. This relentless questioning allows them to break free from conventional thinking, enabling them to uncover insights that others overlook. In a society that often prioritizes conformity, Sigma males thrive in their independence of thought. Their willingness to challenge norms opens doors to innovative ideas and solutions, allowing them to lead and inspire others. Number 2. Natural pattern recognition skills. One of the most notable traits of Sigma males is their remarkable ability to recognize patterns in apparent chaos. While others may see randomness, Sigmas can identify underlying structures and trends, whether in business, relationships, or societal dynamics. This skill isn't just observational, it's intuitive, allowing them to connect seemingly unrelated dots. In human behavior, for instance, they excel at reading people and understanding motivations, helping them navigate social dynamics with precision. Their capacity for pattern recognition enhances their decision-making and enables them to lead and innovate effectively. Number 1. Calm in chaos, thinking clearly under pressure. Sigma males possess a remarkable calmness under pressure, allowing them to think with clarity when it matters most. While others may feel paralyzed or act impulsively in stressful situations, Sigmas remain centered, treating intensity as fuel for focus. This calmness isn't just a natural trait. It's a cultivated discipline that turns chaos into a playground for their problem-solving abilities. By staying level-headed and assessing facts, they make decisions efficiently, often becoming the ones others look to for guidance when things unravel. This resilience under pressure gives them the natural authority, inspiring confidence in those around them. If you found these insights helpful, feel free to leave a comment. If you're unsure about what to say, simply write "done" to let us know you watched until the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we invite you to subscribe now and become part of our channel. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.